Installation of a Roxtec CF16 transit. To install a Roxtec CF16 transit, you need the Roxtec CF16 front and back plates, the compression rubber, fasteners, Roxtec CM sealing modules and Roxtec lubricant, as well as a Torx key and a Phillips screwdriver. With a Roxtec CF16 transit, you can seal openings for cables and pipes in different types of cabinets, enclosures and equipment. Mount and attach the frame. Make or verify an aperture. Insert the back plate. Fix the back plate with the 2 screws. Thoroughly lubricate all surfaces of the compression rubber with Roxtec lubricant. Place the compression rubber from the installation side. Fix the front plate parts loosely over the compression rubber with the screws. Insert cables or pipes. Insert the cables or pipes through the frame. Adapt the modules. Adapt the modules by peeling off layers. Achieve a 0.1 to 1 mm gap between the 2 halves when held against the cable or pipe. The number of layers may not differ by more than 1 between the corresponding module halves. Lubricate all sealing surfaces on the modules. Lubricate the sealing surfaces of the spare modules. Do not remove the core. Install the modules. Insert the modules from the installation side. Fully insert the modules to the edge. Tighten the seal. Starting with the short sides, tighten the screws crosswise in small steps. Protruding lubricant indicates good compression. Make a final check. Different approvals or certificates may include amendments or limitations related to the application. Always read the installation instructions supplied with the product. Disassembly and reinstallation. Untighten the Torx screws crosswise in small steps. Remove the modules needed. Clean the exposed packing space. Lubricate the exposed packing space and continue the reinstallation.